Welcome to the If Income Training Kit Chapter 34. How to register on Quora. In this video, we will take a look at how to register on Quora, step by step. So let's get started. Go to Quora.com and here you can sign up either via Gmail or Facebook or via any other email ID. Let's select this email option and here enter your first name, last name, email ID, and password. Then enter the CAPTCHA and click this sign up button. Let's enter the details and click this sign up button. Here we have one last step. Select the categories or niches you are interested in and click on the Done button. So this is how you can register on Quora. Thank you for watching. Please proceed to the next video, Chapter 35. How to find the best questions. In that video, we will take a look at how to find the best questions on Quora, step by step. See you in the next tutorial.